part one of backpacking. I got here late, so I'm just trying to get to the campsite as fast as I can. I think I'll make it before dark, but I'm out of breath. Here's the view. Super pretty. Haven't had too much time to really take it in yet, but I'll film some more once I get to the campsite. I'm about half a mile in, so I have like about 2.5 miles, so not bad at all. But yeah, I'm just trying to go as fast as I can. 1 mile in, I feel good. I already passed some people, which makes me feel better because I was stressed getting to the campsite, but I think I'll be okay. I do have to pee, but I think I'm gonna wait until I get to the campsite because if there's only one left, I'm gonna take it. But the first like 0.7 miles were rough and I was getting nervous, but it's a lot flatter now. So here's the view. Got a nice cliff. There's like all these like lookout areas, but I'm nervous to go up to them because I don't want to like get lost finding the trail on the way back. So I've just been sticking to the trail, but I do have to pee. I'm at mile 2-ish, about mile 2. I passed 2 different couples with a dog, which was really fun. And I passed this one girl also who is doing the hike with a broken leg, which is pretty freaking sick. And yeah, it's getting a little chilly. I stopped and why did it stop? I had a snack. I still have to pee, but the plan is to still make it to the campsite. So fingers crossed I don't pee my pants, but I have about like an hour and a half of daylight. So. Do you guys want to see something cute? That's the mountain I'm going up. It goes like doesn't that look like the ocean? Another pretty mountain. Whoop. Mile 3. There was a man that was running on the trail and like absolutely scared the shit out of me, but he's the only person I've passed on this mile. But oh my god, it is so freaking gorgeous. I am running very short on time in terms of like if I'll get my camp up before dark because I literally cannot stop taking pictures. I see tents. I got it. I did it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, there's a sign. Oh my gosh. There's people. Okay, now I get to pick a camp spot. Ooh. Okay, this is exciting. Whoa. I don't even know what to say. This is so cool. Look at all that grass. Oh my god, I just want to roll down that hill so bad. So cute too. Everybody's like setting up their little tents and stuff. Oh man, that is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go find a spot and then set up my tent and explore some more. But I have to pee first. Oh my god, how is it blue? I'm like so in awe right now. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna cry. This is so gorgeous. You know it's freaking breathtaking because I have to pee so bad and I haven't gone yet, and I'm carrying like 60 pounds on me still, and I literally don't care. It's just the lake. What? I don't even think I'm gonna set up my tent. I think I'm just gonna sit on this rock, pull an all-nighter, stare at the lake all night. God. So I'm in my tent. I got my mattress pad rolled out. Working on getting my sleeping bag out. I finally went to the bathroom. Feeling a little scared. It just kind of like hit me. I'm just gonna like be by myself at night. But I was talking to the couple like right next to me, and they're super sweet, and they have a dog, so I'm not super worried. But I'm also feeling like very lightheaded and just exhausted all of a sudden. I think it just like hit me because I was feeling fantastic before, but I think I just need to like eat and go to bed and read. But I'm going to wait, can you see? Open this up because the view from my tent is incredible and I want to watch the stars, but it looks pretty cloudy, so I'm nervous it might rain. It's super cozy in here. I feel like I was feeling freezing before, but I just put on like some warm socks. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna eat, not inside my tent, and then hang my food, and then read and watch the stars and go to bed. I'm not feeling great. I'm a little sick right now, but we'll see how I feel tomorrow. Oops. But yeah, I'll show you the final project once my tent is all set up. Peace. I'm now sitting on a rock right outside my tent, eating some food. I was going to go down by the lake, but like nobody's there, so I felt weird, so I'm just gonna sit out here. Alright, so I just finished eating and I hung my food. which is like literally the hardest thing I've had to do all day. I don't know why. It was like my arms, I think I'm just like tired, but my arms were literally like giving out and I was just like holding them up in the air. It was so bad. But anyways, letting my feet dry out because I took my warm socks off because I had to put my other shoes back on, which were like soaking wet because I had to walk in that waterfall. So I didn't want to get my like the only like dry thing for my feet. I did not want to get that wet. So I'm excited to put those back on because those felt so freaking good. Everybody here is super duper nice. Like, I assumed people would be nice, but like people are just so nice. I feel like I'm gonna be really confused when I wake up in the morning. Like, I'm not gonna remember that I was camping, but I'll be happy. When I got here, I was like, oh my god, I want to stay like the whole week. Like, I don't ever want to leave. And now I think one night will be enough for me, by myself, I think. But yeah, I'm still alive. I'm a little nervous. I don't know. If the bear eats my food, I might just like call it quits. Well, I don't know. Yeah, that would just really suck. I don't know if I'd be able to make it. Well, let me plan out my day and then I'll see. But hopefully the bear doesn't eat my food. Hopefully. A little nervous to wake up tomorrow. My calves, no, not my calves, my hamstrings and like behind my knees are just absolutely like obliterated. So I think I'm going to be quite sore tomorrow, but it's worth it. Yikes, the sledding in here is so rough. So yeah, I'll do some stretches. I'm excited to see, hopefully I can see the stars tonight, but it's a bit cloudy and I think I hear raindrops, so it might be just like a stormy night. I wish I could just like literally just be camping all the time. Update, it was thunderstorming a little bit not too long ago, which was a little scary because I've never set up this tent before and I didn't really know if I like did it right, like with the rain cover and everything. So like as soon as like I heard the thunder, I was like, oh my god, like what if this whole thing just like freaking flies away? But I was like tired before and now I'm wide awake and I wish I had somebody to talk to. I'm just bored, but also it's probably a good thing. But I'll read or something. That was just a little 9 p.m. update, but good night. It's now 11 o'clock and I still can't sleep, but I think I'm gonna try to read again. I think the moon is just too bright because I was trying to see the stars. I had my cover open for a little bit, but then there's these coyotes or like wolves or something howling like really loud. It's super cool, but I'm a little nervous having my cover open. I feel like if I saw a wolf just like right outside, or coyote or whatever the heck it is, I would be freaking out. So I closed that up, but I do have like a little peeky hole right out there, if you can see it. And I've been trying to look for stars, but it's just like, it's just light, like it's just light outside, and I forgot that there's like literally a full moon today. But yeah, right now I'm currently reading my first aid kit because I'm really bored, and I might just continue reading my book. Also, I thought I forgot my phone like cable to charge it because I have a portable battery, and I was just like, dang it, I should probably like not really use my phone that much anymore. And then I just like had a thought inside my head. I was like, I kind of remember packing that for some reason. Like, I don't know why. Like, I know I forgot it, but I kind of remember packing it. And I was like, huh, maybe I'll just like check, because I didn't check before. I was like, oh, I forgot it, I'm not even gonna check. And I checked and it was there. So That was very exciting. I slept for maybe about 30 minutes last night, and I'm not feeling too great. The rest of the night was very quiet. I gave up on sleep at around like 3:30, and then I ended up actually putting my sleeping bag outside so I could like be underneath the stars, which was really beautiful. And I saw 3 shooting stars, which is really cool. It's currently about 6 a.m. I honestly just want to go back home. Alrighty, so I just got my food. It was not eaten by bears, so that's amazing. And the sun is coming out more. Here is our beautiful lake. It's freezing. I think it's probably like, I guess it's not freezing. It's probably like 40 degrees, but not as bad as I actually expected. My feet, so my shoes are very wet though, still, as expected. I still just can't believe how blue this lake is though. Like, I don't get it. See that? Top of the waterfall. All the way to the lake. Chilling with my new homie. Say hi. He's a little shy right now. Hey, you wanna say hi? Boop. That was a boop. Well, I just finished hiking up to the other two lakes, and I also climbed up like this little peak up there. Actually, you can kind of see it there. I was kind of like sitting on that rock for a while, and there's like another little lake in there too. I'm now going to change into my swimsuit and go swimming for a little bit. Alright, I'm heading back now. My pack feels heavier than it was coming here for some reason, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever. But here's the fit. On this water bottle too. Now I think might be the people right in front of me. Done. All done. I did it. And I got back at the time I wanted to. So got some raspberries. It was a little treat. And now I'm headed home. Ooh.